In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Duolingo. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Duolingo like this. Right now, if you have already an account, click here. If you want to create an account, click Get Started. Right now, click on Continue. And click Continue again. So what you want to learn, I want to learn, for example, for English speaker, I will choose French and Russian. Click Continue. And how did you learn how, for example, TikTok? How much Russian? I'm new. You have to complete all these steps. Continue. Right now I go to these steps. I will click Add. And right now I will click Continue. And I will click here and click Continue. Click Continue again. And it's loading. You have right now to complete these steps. Now guys, after finishing the process, go click on Create Profile and choose your age. And click Continue. Your first name. Continue your email right now. Click Continue. And your password. Click Create Profile right now. And you must wait little. And click Save. And click maybe later here. To sync your contact, click Continue. And yeah, congratulations, you create an account on Duolingo. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.